Hi guys, we're about to go in the car wash. If you didn't see in the last video, car wash part 1, go check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell, please. It looks like a bear, Dad.
Here we go.
Yeah, come on, you want to watch it. You're going to love to watch it. It's gonna be awesome. I haven't been one in ages. Comment down below if you've been in one. I know. Well, I'm a bit nervous. I haven't been in it. The last time I went in it, I think I was terrified, so I didn't go on it again. But it's been about 8 years or something. Right. Okay. Get terrified, Dad. Get terrified. Guys, I'm just gonna do it. Dun, dun, dun. We are finally gonna go in it, and I'm so excited, a bit nervous, but okay, it's gonna be awesome. But yeah, drive ahead, stop. Okay, I'm nervous, I'm very nervous. Daddy normally cries and screams. Dad normally cries and screams, I think. So I hope he doesn't do that today. And yeah, I hope this is just a fun little trip. No terrified people. So yeah, I think I got you guys stuck right here. Okay, Dad, I think I got my iPad stuck. Dad, I think I got my iPad stuck. I'm not joking. Look. I can't get you guys, so you have to watch. Oh my. We're going backwards if you cannot see. I'm nervous. Come on. Let's go, everybody. My dad's driving in. Sorry, I had to. Okay, it's gonna be awesome here. It's wow. They just did up the water. Wasn't bad.
Don't worry, be scared. Don't worry.
Dad, you're the worst YouTuber.
I'm not scared. See, look, it's just a little gentle rain. That's all.
The gentle.
No problem at all.
So excited.
Just a gentle rain.
Dad, get ready to scream. Yeah.
Oh, I never get scared of these. Look, it's just like a shower. It's no problem at all.
Yeah. Yo, it's so cool. I'm scared. I'm starting to get scared.
I'm just going to relax because I know it's just like a little shower. Oh, soap.
What did you just say?
Soap.
Soap?
Soap.
I tried making it stand for you guys.
Shampoo.
Shampoo. Like under your hair, Dad.
Yeah.
I you getting scared?
No, look, it's just a little bit of shampoo.
How true.
There's no powerful jets or anything.
Daddy, get ready to scream. It's going to get to the power one now. Wow.
I don't think we'll do the power one anymore.
Really?
Too many people complain because it's too scary.
No.
I'm just going to
relax. Dad's basically like what?
Oh, it's finished. Oh, terrifying.
Stop it. Daddy, look at the box. It's satisfying. Daddy, this is a loud bit again. Don't scream.
No, it's just the back.
No, it's not. Don't look that way, or else you scream. Oh my gosh! This is a nightmare.
What's that on my window?
What? I have no idea. A bug. Oh, this is my favourite bit, Dad. I mean, yeah. It's smoke, kind of. It's drier.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's wet.
No, it's not. I do not like this bit. Oh my god. This is okay? Wow, the back is barely clean. Wow, wow. Oh, Dad, get ready to scream again. Guys, look at that. Wow.
I guess we should start putting the things that we don't want, you know, so that they can clean.
What do you mean? What do you mean? They can't.
Here.
No, I'm not. We're not gonna go to that thing.
What thing?
That thing.
What thing?
You have to wait outside with gloves and everything. No, I'm not doing that.
Wait, are we allowed to sit inside?
Huh?
Are we allowed to sit inside?
They're going to clean inside.
You just said they weren't allowed to.
Yeah, they got gloves, masks, all that
Dad.
stuff.
Dad, they want to watch it. Daddy, move. You can do that later. Wow, so satisfying. Wow, this is my. Okay, this is going to Corbett. Dad, get ready to scream. Okay.
Ice cream.
Huh?
Ice cream.
No, you don't.
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Ice cream. Gonna get ice cream.
Police.
Huh? Why did you get
So much better.
so much better? So much better to be like. So going to Corbett, everybody. Get ready. Look at the ceiling. Get right. Look right there. No, don't.
Look, see right up my nose.
Get ready.
Police.
Where? Oh, they're coming for us. Man, boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Man, boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Yes, my sister's gonna run
I thought it was
away.
gonna be cool, everybody.
we're done.
No. Wait, now you just got myself nice and ready.
Everyone get their masks ready so we get out of the car.
I don't have my mask. I put it back in the...
There's one on the floor, white one.
No.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, you mean right here?
No, you do have it.
What do you mean? I'm not wearing a white one.
Got to wear one.
She has hers.
Okay.
So, am I going to Starbucks while this gets washed?
Good.
Wait, my car seat's the wrong way.
Getting in as well. To get the cash.
Lana, you getting Starbucks? Can you get me a lollipop, please? Dad, I'm asking Dad.
Right, do you have money with you, Lana? How much money do you have? 40. That's
Daddy,
fine.
can I get... Daddy? Lana's not getting a chocolate milkshake, right?
You can't really get a lollipop because you've got ice cream
Oh.
and Pop-Tarts.
Lana got Pop-Tarts as well. We both shared money for that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here's a pencil.
Oh yeah, bye! Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. Yasmin Layla.